start with a prayer. Okay, very good. So, we have our attendants, Mr. Mano, Mr. Shia, okay, so everyone is present. Okay, so we will start our topic, the status rebalance series, no? The Philippine folk dances. Okay, so we have here the learning objectives. So first is the cognitive domain. So it describes the purpose and health benefits of the status rebalance series. The psychomotor domain is to execute the movements with the proper execution, proper posture and flowing of transition. The last one is the affective domain. Show the discipline and mindfulness through the focus and wistful execution. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, everyone, who can define what is sway balance? Okay, Kizaya. Oh, yes, very good, Kizaya. So, sway balance is a cohesive sequence of rhythmic dance movements involving the shifting of the body's weight from one foot to another. So, the purpose is to improve the balance, coordinations, musicality, expression in the folk dance. Okay, next. So, we have here the sway balance with a point. Okay, so it ends with the foot pointed outward front side. So, ganito yan. The step, cross, step, 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 cross, step, step, point. Sway balance. So, do it in the left side and the right side. Okay. Step, cross, step, step, point. Step, cross, step, step, point. So, that is the sway balance with a point. And this sway balance with a point is emphasize the directionality and control in pointing the foot to encourage clean transition and posture. Okay, the sway balance with the brass. Same with the sway balance with the foot. Okay, do it in the right and the left side. Step, cross, step, step, brass. Step, cross, step, step, brass. So that is a sway balance with the brass. So the pre-foot brushes the floor slightly and after the swing. So it focuses on the ankle movement of fluidity and rhythm. So it develops also the agility and coordination. Next is the sway balance with the close. Sway balance with the close is by closing the free foot next to the supporting foot. Okay, so the highlight is the near finishing and way of shift control. So use open in the formal dance sequences. Ganito yan. Step, cross, step, close. Step, cross, step, step, close. Step, cross, step, step, close. So that is the sway balance with the close. Step balance, sway balance with the raise, with the half. Okay, so sway balance with the half is it adds like half at the end of the sway. Okay, with it. Step, close, step, raise, half. Step, cross, step, step, half. So parang may spring yung isang paa mo. Okay, next is the sway balance with the wall. So, it explains her to perform in a 3/4 time rhythm. So, step, cross, step, step, cross, step. Okay, ganito yan. Sway balance with the wall. Step, cross, step, cross, step, 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 cross, step, cross, step. So that is the sway balance with the wall. So sway balance with the wrist. Okay, ganito. Ends in the free leg raise, front side or back. Step, cross, step, step, rest. Okay. Step, cross, step, step, raise. Step, cross, step, with the wrist. And this is test the students' balance and posture and encourage calm control of the leg elevation. So we have here the last one, the double sway balance. So there are two ways in sequence usually in opposite direction. No? Step to step, step point, cross step, step to point. So this one moves the rhythmic flow and transitioning smoothly between sides. So ganito yan. Sakay tayo. Step, cross, step, step, point, cross, step, up, step, point. Step, cross, step, point, cross, step, up, step, point. So that is the double sway balance. So, okay class, you understand the 7 sway balance series. Okay, prepare 1/4 for our quiz for today. This is the identification. So you have to answer the quiz. Okay, so we have here the rubrics, no? The performance rubric application. So we have the criteria. Accuracy, position, 10 points. Usefulness, 10 points. And the timing is 5 points. So it encourages students to aim for a clean, expressive performance. So you have to perform the 7 sway balance series. Okay, and that's all for our topic for today. Take your assignment, submit in a 1 to 2 minute video demonstrating the 7 sway balance variation. The criteria is clarity and precision, presentation and effort, and cultural musicality. So we have here the accommodations and technical integration of accommodation, kinesthetic prompts, visual cues, extra time for students with special needs, tip tools, YouTube, Google Forms, projector, Google Classroom, and slides. So thank you. Keep moving with a purpose and purpose. Okay, goodbye class.